All right, new exhaust is done. Okay, so stock headers, and then welded in an adapter into the Ackropovic style, and then just into a cheap tip, and I took all the packaging out and packed it with stainless steel wool instead of fiberglass, and it sounds amazing. My first actual TIG welding project. I mean, it's not perfect, but for the metal not cooperating, could have been worse. I mean, it's hard to even tell that this is an aftermarket piece, except for the fact that my crappy welding around the yeah, that could definitely have been better, but everything else is perfect and it sounds great. It's not too loud. You don't need headphones while you, or earplugs while you ride, and with the new tune on it from DynoJet, my Power Vision 3, it sounds so, or it's faster than the old one was for sure. Yep. Dark side of Japan.